Hi, I'm now going to demonstrate using AndroidScript to control external devices using Bluetooth serial protocol. Now you can see here we're using an Espruino here with an HC05 Bluetooth chip on it. These chips are readily available on eBay and they're extremely cheap. We could be using a Raspberry Pi here or an Arduino board just as easily, but the Espruino board is probably the simplest to use. Now I've knocked up a little breadboard circuit here. It's very simple. We just have 3 MOSFETs here, and we have an LED strip here. This one's available from Maplin in the UK, but I expect there's plenty of alternatives around the world. It's very simple, just strips of LEDs in parallel, and they're RGB, 3 different colours, so you can make any colour you want. Okay, we have a 9-volt battery here to power the Espruino. We could of course power this off the same power supply that we're using for the LED strips. I have a power supply up here, 12-volt power supply that came with the LED strips. The actual LED strips came with a little controller unit and a remote control, but we've done away with that because we want to get control ourselves here. So we've replaced their controller with just these MOSFETs and a simple circuit on the breadboard. So I'm now going to show you the program in AndroidScript. So if I edit that, you can see there's a little program here in JavaScript which I wrote earlier. It's probably a page and a half of code. I'm going to execute that, and that gives me a little user interface which I wrote with 3 sliders here, so we can control the 3 colours. So I'm going to connect now. That sends a serial command to the Espruino. Now we've got control of the Espruino. Now if I move this slider here, you'll see the LED strip comes on, and I can turn on the red LEDs on the strip. And I've also got complete control here of those because I'm using the PWM outputs of the Espruino, and there are plenty of PWM outputs on the Espruino. Makes it good for this sort of experiment. I want to try the green, sorry. There's the green control. And now the blue. So we can mix those colours. If I turn them all on, we will of course get white. And it's quite responsive. I can slide my finger up and down quite quickly and you'll see the lights change quite rapidly. So it's great if you want to make a little display in your bedroom, or you could even make a remote control Christmas tree lights if you wanted to. And this has all been done by Bluetooth, remember, so there's although the phone's close to the circuit, you could do this up to about 25-30 meters away depending on the conditions. I've also got a little random flasher example here, so if I press this button you'll see it will start to flash randomly. Makes me feel all Christmassy already. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this example from AndroidScript. See you again sometime.